Happy pre-Mother's Day. Listen, have you planned your Mother's Day out yet? Are you going to go out for the day, or are you taking a day trip somewhere? Or are you planning a trip somewhere? Maybe just a quick weekend cruise or a quick weekend getaway to visit the family? Or are you stuck like a lot of other mothers of neurodivergent children and you've just decided it's too much headache? It's too much trouble. I don't know how they're going to react. We're just not going to do it. Again, how many years are you going to keep doing that? How many years are you going to keep missing out on your special day? How many years are you going to have to keep making excuses for your kids because you do not know how they're going to handle travel? How many memories are going to keep losing out on? I'm here to tell you, as one mom of a single neurodivergent child to another mom or even a dad of a neurodivergent child, it is possible to travel with them. You just have to give them the tools. How do you give them the tools? By practicing what to expect. They have to have practice sessions, just like you get ready for a game, just like you're getting ready to compete in a band, just like you're getting ready to compete, like with a kung fu tournament, competing in sports, anything that you want to do better, you're going to have to practice it over and over and over again. And that's the same thing when it comes to vacationing with your neurodivergent children, your high needs children. All of that is a lot for them to take in all at once. And you're under pressure and frustrated because you've already paid for this trip. You want it to go well, and it just doesn't. And there's nothing you can do about it. You've wasted money, and there's nothing you can do about it. But there is if you prepare ahead of time. You can book the trip now for the summer. You've still got a couple of months to get in some practice. They even have agencies that actually do practice events, annual practice events for flying, for cruising, and for hotel stays. Yes, there are actual organizations that do these things for free. For free. At least they were free at the time I was doing this recording. So, as far as I know, they are still free. But you can also do some practice things on your own. What does that look like? Well, I am offering a 30-minute or a 1 hour session to one lucky person for free. The normal fee is $100 for the 60 minutes and $45 for the 30 minutes. But for this Mother's Day weekend only, I'm offering one free session to the lucky person who comments down below, I want in for free. Give it to me for free. Something along those lines. Comment down below. I want in. Give it to me for free. Something like that to let me know that you're the one. The first one that I see who comments, because it shows you who gave the first comment. It'll show me who. That's who will get it for free. If someone gets it today, I may do another one tomorrow. But like I said, this is only good until Mother's Day, the very end of Mother's Day. This free coaching session goes away. It's a strategy session to help you actually plan out a practice session for you and your child on your own and to get booked and do one of the annual events. I will take you through step by step to help you do that because I have done it. I didn't realize that that's what I was doing, but I was practicing with him. I would take my son to the airport and we would sit out there and I would let him hear all those different noise, see the different sights. We started outside, then we moved inside. I did the same thing with the cruises. We would drive over to the cruise port and just watch all that's going on so he could hear and see all these different people, all this movement. That's what the practice is all about. It gives them preparation. so they'll know what to expect. And it's not all of a sudden, bam, in this stressful moment, you paid for this trip, this has got to go on. It takes all that pressure off. Okay, so I'll put the link in the description below where you can um, sign up for your Calendly appointment. But like I said, one person will get it for free. One person will get it for free. So sign up with the calendar link and put your comment down in the comments section. Okay, and I'll go back and check it out. I'll be checking it today and tomorrow and Sunday. Like I said, I might do two, but right now it's just for one. Okay. Good luck to you all. If you are planning a trip and it's coming up, reach out to me. It's not too late. I can give you some pointers on what to do now to get you ready for Mother's Day. I know it's right around the corner, but that's the whole point of this flash deal, I guess I could call it. I've done it, I've been there. Reach out to me, and I guarantee you it will make a world of difference in your next trip. Okay, you guys, until then, enjoy the rest of your weekend, or the beginning of your weekend, actually, it is, depending on when you're watching this. So, have a good one, guys.